Hello friends, welcome back in the online classes and this is subject EVS. Children, as you know that yesterday we have started with lesson number 15, our body, correct? And today we are going to continue with the same lesson. Today we are going to learn new terms organ and external organs. What is mean by organ? It's very easy. A part of the body that is used for a particular purpose. We use our legs for walking, so legs are organs. We use our ears for hearing, so ears are also our organs. Children, as you know that we have different parts of our body as we have learned yesterday. And we are using these different parts for different purposes. Here we use our legs for walking. You know, legs we are using for walking. Am I right? So, like legs, other organs also we are using. Eyes we use to see, ears we use to hear. So, these are different purposes of different organs. So, the part of the body that is used for a particular purpose. Okay, it's very important sentence here. A part of the body that is used for a particular purpose is called organ. Clear? Now next, external organs. Organs that are on the outside of our body. Okay, now external word is very important here. Organ means everyone knows. Organ means a part of body which is used for particular purpose. Okay, now external means outside. External means outside. Now external organ means the organ which is outside of our body. Clear? Outside of our body means which you can see with your eyes. Okay? Legs, arms, ears and nose are our organs. They are on the outside of our body. Hence they are our external organs. Okay? Legs, arm, ears and nose. These organs you can see outside of your body. So they are external organs. Questions are asked. How will you walk without bending your legs at the knees? Knees means what? Now here you can see in this picture where the boy has kept his finger. This part of our body is called knee. Okay. So without bending knees at the knees, can we bend down? Can we walk? We cannot walk without bending at the knees. Okay. So if our leg is straight, we cannot walk. Can you comb your hair without bending your arms at the elbow? When we want to comb our hair, that time we bend our arm here at the elbow. This is called as elbow. So that time we are combing our hairs. Okay, we take our arm up. That time we need to bend at the elbow. Without bending at the elbow, we cannot comb our hair. Now, movements of the body. What is mean by movement? Try to bend a wooden stick. Can you do so? Why not? Can you bend a wooden stick? Here a boy is holding a wooden stick in the hand. Can you bend? Can you do so? Suppose that our legs and arms also could not bend. Would we able to make movements? So the stick cannot bend. So like the stick, if our legs, our hands cannot bend, then can we make movements? No, we cannot make movements. Some of our body parts can bend. That is why we are able to make movements. So legs, hands and other body parts, important legs and hands, they can bend at the particular place. I told you knees, elbow. In such a places our body parts can bend. That's why we can have movements. We can have movements. We can walk. Understood? Which parts of our body can we bend? Now let's see which parts of our body can we bend. Okay, here comes first part, the neck. Okay, we can bend our neck. Now you can see the pictures. You can bend your neck at different positions. You can see The girl is bending down, back, at the side, okay, front. Here also the this girl is doing the same. So the neck bends forward as well as backward. Okay, forward as well as backward. Okay, this is forward and this is backward movement. It turns left or right. Left or right. Okay, left or right. It also bends left or right, and we can turn it at the left and right, and we can bend it at the left and right. Okay, so these are the movements of the neck. Next part comes arms. Okay, we can bend our arms at the shoulder, elbow and wrist. Now we can bend our arm at the shoulder. This is called as shoulder. Clear? Then this is elbow and this is wrist. Okay, and we can bend our arm at these places. The fingers of our hands can bend too, and we can bend our fingers too. Clear? That is why we can make a fist. Now what is mean by fist? Here in the picture you can see, this is called as fist. Our fingers can bend, that's why we can make fist. We are able to make the fist from the fingers. We can do many things with our hands. Many things you can see here in the picture. We use our hands to write. We can write with our hand. We can pick up things. Mother shapes a laddu with the hand. Correct? Baby holds the rattle in the hand. Rattle means it is a type of toy. Okay, so baby can hold rattle in the hand. We can pick up some things with the help of hands. Why? Because our hands can bend at the particular places. That's why we can do all different types of works. Next comes waist. Now we can bend our torso only at the waist. Now torso means what? I told you here in the picture you can see this part of our body is torso, and we can bend torso here. Okay, this is the waist. This is called as the waist. See clearly in the picture, this part is called waist, and here we can bend down. Correct? We can bend forward at the waist. We can bend down. Now here the girl is trying to pick up the ball. Okay, because she is able to bend in the waist. That makes it easier for us to do many things. We can pick up things from the floor, tie our shoelaces and play games too. Okay, so we can bend at the waist. W-A-I-S-T, waist. Next part comes legs. Our legs can bend at the hip joint, the knees and the ankle. Hip joint means I told you yesterday. Okay, here you can see where torso, this is part of our body, it is called as torso, and from here we can bend, and this part is called as hip joint. Correct? Our legs are joined to the torso at the hip joint. So here we can bend, and we can bend at the knees also. Correct? And the ankles also. This is part called as ankle. Our toes too can bend. Our toes also can bend. Correct? These are the toes. We use our legs too for several purposes. We use our legs to stand, we walk, we run, we climb up and down stairs, we hop and jump, we work some machines too using our legs. You know that we are doing different works like walking, running, jumping, climbing, doing some work on the machines. Here in the pictures you can see. Here we are taking the help of our legs, okay, where they can bend. We can use that function. One task, many method. Actually, this is activity, and this activity we need to do in the class. So we are not going to do this activity. We are going to skip it. Next page. What's the solution? You want a box from a very high shelf where your hand cannot reach. You want to take out the box which is at the high shelf. Okay. That time your hand cannot reach at that place. To carry out any task, we can choose one from a number of methods of doing it. If we cannot use the usual method, we can get someone to help, or we can use some special device. Somebody may find it difficult to do something, we should then offer all possible help. So, if you want to remove a box from the place which is at the high place in the shelf, that time we can use different uh, things like chair, stool, and we can take the help of elder ones also, and we can help someone if we are heighted one, correct? So there are different types we can work with the help of different things, or with the help of different people. Okay, use your brain power. What was the little boy able to do because Tai picked him up? Now here you can see Tai has helped him to see what is outside the window. With the help of her only, she picked him up. That's why he is able to see what is there outside. Correct. So same thing we can use here also. The last point in this lesson, I'm unique. I'm unique. It's a very nice concept. Unique. What is mean by I'm unique? There are countless people in the world, but all of them have the same body parts. Even so, no two persons are exactly alike. That is because each one has a different figure and form. There are differences in height and weight, hairline, and the features of the face. In the whole world, only you look like yourself. Did you know this? You look like yourself means you are unique. No one is like you. Do you know this, children? See, in the world, there are countless people. Countless means what? There are many people in the world, and they have same body parts. They have two legs, two hands, one nose, two ears, two eyes. Everything is same. Okay. But though all the body parts are same, do we look same? No. Two people in the world, you have not seen two people in the world are same, alike. Alike means what? Same. Okay. Two persons are not exactly alike. Okay. We will find some differences. Here, many children are sitting and they have all the body parts same. But do they look same? No, because we are unique. We are unique. We look like ourselves. Here, everyone looks like himself. Correct. So, I am unique. So, we can say I am unique. I am the only one person in the world who looks like me. Okay. So, we are the best. Like this, you also can say. Now, children, only last point we are going to see. Do you know sometimes twin brothers or sisters look exactly alike, but even between them there are small differences. So when I told you you are unique, no one is looking like you, that time one thing is coming in the mind, that when twin brothers or sisters are there, they look exactly alike. They are looking same. But still, children, if you will find there are differences between them, you will find some small differences in them also. Okay. So here we have finished our lesson. Read the lesson properly, and tomorrow we will see workbook writing.